Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the trucks and hardware because turning issues originate there. First, loosen the axle nut slightly and spin the wheel. Make sure the bearings are seated and not binding. Then, check each mounting bolt and the kingpin nut. If threads are stripped, you'll need replacements. Inspect pivot cups and bushings. Soft, cracked, or flattened bushings change turn response. Once done, tighten to a baseline tension. You'll fine-tune this next as you test turning feel. Now you'll tune how the board turns by adjusting bushings and kingpin tension. Replace worn bushings with a different durometer if turning is stiff, softer for easier lean, harder for stability. You can flip cone and barrel bushing orientation to change the pivot arc. Make adjustments in quarter-turn increments on the kingpin nut, and then skate or press the board to judge response. Make sure both trucks have the same tension and bushing setup, so turning remains predictable in either direction. Finish by addressing pivot wear and external causes that block turning. Remove trucks and clean the pivot area, apply a small amount of dry lubricant, and replace pivot cups if they're torn or misshapen. Inspect for wheel bite, add riser pads, reduce wheel size, or carve wheel wells if necessary. Reinstall and ride short runs, re-equalizing truck tension until you get consistent turns. If problems persist, swap trucks or wheels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.